Wow, thank you very much. First of all, I would like to say happy birthday to our celebrant, Mr. Eddie Boy Bautista. Yeah! Eddie Boy, in behalf of your family, your friends, and your basketball teammates, we would like to say happy birthday. More birthday to come, good health, and we wish you all the best. Eddie Boy, 70 years. 70 years old. It's only a number, you don't have to worry about that. It's only 2 digits. I don't be worried when you're close to a 3 digit. Anybody else do the best? And in behalf of your basketball family, with they all here, we would like to sing a happy birthday to you in our basketball version. All right, guys, can you please stand up and sing happy birthday? All right, I will lead. Yes, follow me. All right. I would like to sing a happy birthday to our big names, Mr. Edward Bautista, in our own version. You don't need to read our lips just to understand the words we're talking about. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin, sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy birthday. Sana'y malasin mo kami. Yeah, thank you. Well, Eddie Boy is not only a good he's not only a good parent, a loving husband, and he is also very good to his grandchildren and kids. He is my idol, not only in the terms of family things, but also in the terms of basketball. Well, this is the truth what happened to me. When me and Eddie Boy is playing basketball, our coach tell me, oh, all you have to do is grab the ball and pass it to Eddie Boy. So that's what I do. Grab the ball and pass it to Eddie Boy, and we can finish the rest. And one thing I really hate him most is when I grab the ball, I'm battling for just to get the rebound, I pass it to him, and then all of a sudden I'm wide open. And then he's supposed to pass me the ball, and he shoot it. And then I ask, Eddie Boy, I'm open. Oh, don't worry. 2 points is better than 3 points. I said, okay, all right. You're my teammate, you're the best. Eddie Boy, we still miss you. Where can you find a basketball player at the age of 60s and over? He's still on his prime peak. He played like 45 years old. I'm looking forward to seeing you on our 55 years anniversary. That will be happening on the next year. So Eddie Boy, I wish you all the best. Happy birthday and good health. We love you and we'll miss you at the gym.
Thank you.